Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to find a co-host in Airbnb to host your first house. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So you need to click on the Airbnb app and go to the profile section, and you need to scroll down until you find the hosting section and then click on find a co-host. And here you will see there are several co-hosts that are close to you, and you can check their rating and then maybe the listing and how far they are. You can contact them. Let's say I want to get in touch with this host. I'm gonna click on get in touch, and then you will be like just talk to them and then ask them how to like set up a place. So a co-host is very useful because it helps you to list the house much faster than doing it by your own. So once you go through all the list of the people, you will be able to find the one that maybe matches with what you are trying to find. But this is basically how you can find a co-host in Airbnb.